I'm going to show you how to change the headlight bulb on a Nissan Sentra. First step, I've got to pop the trunk. Goes right here where the arrow indicates. Then you need to figure out if the bulb that is burned out is here or here. And I'm going to show you how to change both of them, but obviously you need to know which one you need to change. Looking from behind, you will see this. This is the actual bulb right here. This gray plastic is where it connects to the power. So what you need to do is twist this so that it comes this direction, and then it'll pull straight out. Either use gloves or just be very careful not to touch the actual glass of the bulb. Now once you've got it out, this little gray plastic you can see keeps it in place on either side here. So I need to lift these up and off, which I might need both hands to do. Okay, you can see from the front here that I've got those both lifted up so that this bulb will just pull out. Now when you buy a new bulb, this is what you're buying, what's in my hand right now. So you'll buy a new bulb, you'll put it right on here, and then you'll put the bulb in at the angle you took it out at, so kind of leaning towards the right there. Trying to get a good angle of it. And make sure it's pushed all the way forward. There we go. So you put it in at the angle you took it out at, and then rotate it so that it's vertical up and down, and it'll click into place. Now if you need to change, that was for this inside bulb. If you need to change the outside bulb, it's the same procedure. The only thing is, first you have to take off this cover here, which it looks like it has a little bolt on it. It is not a bolt. There's two little tabs. You can just rotate it. That comes off. Let me get the camera low enough that you can see. And it's just the same thing again. So a little bit of a tighter squeeze, but the procedure is exactly the same. You just grab that light, twist it until it's locked out, and you can pull that bulb back, disconnect it, put the new bulb in, and then put it back in there. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple fix.